Hi, this is Anusha. My registration number is UR1PCS183, and here I am going to tell about how to generate a table of multiples of a given number and also a simple calci. I am using only 4 types of operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the calci. And first I am going to tell about the program 1, that is to generate the table of multiples of a given number. For this I am taking the data type int, I and j for row, I for row and j for column, and n is the little thing which I am declaring here. N is equal to row into column, since so that I can know how many times I have to multiply the number and how many times I have to get the output. And here I am declaring the row and the column, so in order to enter the values. And m is equal to 1, and here the number on which we are going to perform. And next I am giving here output statement and enter the number of the columns and rows to be performed. And again I am giving the input as a column and row, and here I am declaring n is equal to row into column, since I told you that in order to know how many multiples we have to get. And next I am declaring the cout statement, enter the numbers to be performed, and I am giving the input the number. And here I am using the nested for loop to do this program. And first, outer for loop I am declaring the rows, and with the condition I is equal to 0, I less than n, and that is rows into columns and number of times. And here I am giving plus I, since I have to multiply the number only once, that is like 7 ones are 1 and 7 twos are 2, and I have to print the value only once, not twice, or 7 twos are 2, like that. So I am giving the condition as plus I. And in the inner for loop I am giving j is equal to 0 and j less than or equal to I and j plus condition, so that I can make them arrange in the proper order. And next, out of the inner loop I am declaring the statement number into m. M is the number with which we are going to multiply as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into, and M for this to done I am incrementing the value of m, and I am declaring it as m plus plus. Yeah, this is going to be the end of the program. And now I am going to compile this program. F9. Yeah, it's asking me enter the number of columns and rows to be performed, and columns 10, enter, rows 20, enter the number to be performed. First I am going to show you on 7. See, here we can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 columns and 20 rows, and these are the 200 multiples of 7. By this we can easily, it's one of the easy process to know and to calculate the tables of a given number. And we can take other values also. Let me try I will show you with another number also. Number of columns to be performed and rows, and enter the numbers to be performed. Let me take as 55. Yeah, this is table of the 55, and it shows until 200 multiples of the 55, and this will be the end of the program. And next I'm switching to the program 2, that is simple calci. And I'm going to use only 4 operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division here. And I'm going to declare the character C, that is the choice which I'm going to enter and perform the task. And I'm going to give the integer int data type for D, which is the choice whether I'm asking the user to do whether he wanted to continue the process or not. And next I'm going float number 1 and number 2, as I'm declaring it with float because we can do float is a large data type, and we can take any values, and we can see what we can take the decimal values or the largest number values by using the float. And next I'm declaring the loop in order to as I want to execute the program again if user wishes to do so. So I'm declaring it taking loop, and next I'm in the loop, and I'm taking cout. Enter the operators either plus or minus or multiplication and division, and here I'm going to give the input statement and next to the cout statement, and I'm giving enter the numbers and the number 1 and number 2, and especially I'm going to use a switch case in this as it will be easy in doing, and we can perform the task very easily, and we can do only the only what the user wanted to do, and whether if you want to do the addition, and we can do only the addition and subtraction like this. And case 1 I'm declaring it as addition and cout number 1 plus number 2, and case 2 I'm declaring it's a subtraction number 1 minus number 2, cout statement, and break is very important as we want to come out of the loop and we have end the case. Next I am giving this multiplication, and next is division number 1 divided by number 2, and the break statement and the default statement. If rather than addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, if you give any other, then it's going to display the default statement, and default statement there is no such operator, and slash n and end of the conditions. And next if I want to show that whether the user want to execute again, and if he wanted to execute again the loop, and I'm giving the scene statement and declaring the response of the user, and I'm giving if 1 is yes and 2 is no. If he want to do it, I'm declaring another if condition. If the response is yes, and go to loop, and it will go back to the loop, and again the process will be continued, and again it's going to ask whether you want to continue the process. And next else statement, if no, if in case not he doesn't want to do, then it will be terminated and the process will be end. And this is the end of the program, and I'm going to compile it. Fine. Enter the operator addition, subtraction and multiplication division. I'm going to take addition, enter 4 enter 5, and it's showing the result as 9, and 4 plus 5 is 9, and it's asking me want to execute again, and I am declaring as 1, that is S, and enter the operators either. So I am going to repeat the process again and again, and that's why I declared the go to statement. Now I am going to take multiplication, enter so we can take any value, and this is asking me want to execute again. Yes, I'm going to execute again. I want to show you with example of a decimal number, and yes, sorry I pressed it as, but I declared it as 1, so I didn't get it. Yeah, I'm going to execute it again. Enter addition, enter, and entering the numbers 2.2 and 3.4. see, so this is the benefit of using float, as we can take any decimal number, and also we can take any larger values. And I'm asking want to execute again. Yes, I want to execute again, and I want to show you the I'm doing the same mistake. I will show you this. Now I am going to perform division. Enter the numbers. 4 divided by 5, enter 0.8, and want to execute again. As I declared it as 1 and int, so I have to give the input is also same, or else it will be get terminated as I given the condition. So 1, enter. So next the process is going to be repeated. Thank you for watching this video. If any faults or any corrections, please let me know. Thank you.